Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? What is today? Today is Tuesday. What's the weather? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a letter from the English alphabet. This will get us ready to read in English. Every letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn today's letter. Today's letter is the letter J. J says J. J, J, jellyfish. J says J. J, J, jellyfish. What letter is it? It is letter J. What does J say? J says J. Jellyfish. If you have been following, we use a salt tray to help us learn the letters. You will need salt and a plate or tray. Pause the video if you need. Practice writing our letters a few times. J says J, 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 jellyfish. B. B says B, 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 bat. B says B, 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 bat. C. C says K, 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 cat. C says K, 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 cat. D. D says D, 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 dog. D says D, 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 dog. F. F says fish. F says fish. G. G says G, 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 goat. G says G, 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 goat. H. H says hippo. H says hippo. And today's letter, J. J says J, 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 jellyfish. J says j, 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 jellyfish. What letter is it? It is letter J. What does J say? J says j, 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 jellyfish. What letter is it? What does J say? Post a video message, send a PM video or audio message. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.